Okay, so I just dove into this segment anything model, and it blew my mind how it can segment images with almost zero input.
Wait, seriously? Zero input? How does that even work? I mean, isn't segmentation usually super complex?
Exactly. And what's wild is that it uses this fancy algorithm that leverages self-supervised learning. It's like teaching a child to identify shapes.
Right? And self-supervised means it learns from the data itself, not relying on tons of labeled images, right? That's pretty revolutionary.
Totally. Think of it like an artist being handed a blank canvas and figuring out how to create a masterpiece without any guide.
Oh, wow, that's a great analogy. So it's as if the model trains on its own by making sense of the vast amounts of images out there?
Exactly. And once it's trained, it still surprises with how accurately it segments various objects in any image.
I can only imagine how useful that is across industries. Imagine healthcare using this to analyze medical images faster.
Right? And it really changes the game in applications like autonomous driving or even augmented reality.
So the model can identify where objects are without explicitly being told what they are. That's insane.
But hold on, it's not just about the image identification. It also provides utility in creating better training datasets.
Oh, because it can segment out parts of images that can then be labeled and used to improve further learning.
Exactly. Use it as a tool to enhance datasets, creating a cycle of continuous improvement.
That's fascinating. If the model keeps improving itself, where does this lead us in a few years?
Honestly, the possibilities feel endless. It's like having a co-pilot in data processing that just keeps getting more skilled.
Right. I mean, how does this influence areas like privacy? If it's identifying objects, could it recognize faces or personal data?
Great question. Ethical concerns pop up, especially considering this could lead to surveillance-type applications.
Yeah, that's a big deal. Balancing innovation with privacy rights feels more critical than ever.
Exactly. But think about this. If we set the right guidelines, we could truly harness its potential for good.
So, we could end up with tools that serve us better in industry while respecting individual privacy.
Right. But the caveat is ensuring transparency with how these models work and their training data.
For sure. It's like if we're opening the door to a new era of AI, we really need to be careful about what comes in.
And here's where it gets even crazier. They've provided example notebooks for us to play around with.
No way. So we can test it out ourselves and see how well it segments images.
Yep, and that makes it super accessible for developers looking to integrate this tech.
Wow, so you don't need to be a top-tier expert to experiment with it. That's game-changing.
Absolutely. It opens the door for everyone to get their hands dirty with this advanced technology.
And think about how this could inspire new applications we haven't even dreamed up yet.
That's true. Creativity flourishes in tech when tools become accessible, right?
Exactly. And let's not overlook its ability to inspire collaboration between researchers and developers.
Collaboration is key. The more minds working together, the more innovative solutions we see.
It's like each small project can lead to a huge paradigm shift down the line.
So what if more people get involved? The model and its iterations could revolutionize tech as we know it.
Right. This could be the spark that ignites a whole new generation of AI applications and ideas.
Mind-blowing, right? It's all just so intertwined, from tech development to ethical considerations.
Yeah, and as we progress, we have to stay critical of how we utilize and apply these innovations.
Totally. It's a balancing act between leveraging technology and maintaining our values as a society.
So, if we can navigate that, who knows how far we'll go with AI and models like Segment Anything.
And I think that's the exciting part. The journey ahead is uncertain but full of potential.
Agreed. It leaves me wondering, how can we shape this technology to truly benefit society?
Exactly. And it's a question that should be on everyone's mind moving forward.
Here's to making sure we keep that dialogue open as these technologies evolve.
Cheers to that. Innovation should enhance lives while respecting the values we hold dear.